Hey guys, frndly with CFL-TECH on the DirecTV Insider site with this streaming media news story. And as always, it'll be linked down below if you want to check it out. It's a quick read for this one and a good one if you are an LG TV customer, smart TV customer from 2021 and on. So now we have the DirecTV app available on your smart TV from LG. So this is some good news and some long overdue news. So here it is. It is now available. DirecTV and LG Electronics today, at the time of this video, December 8th, 2025, announced the launch of the DirecTV app on LG smart TVs from 2021 and newer, running on WebOS 6.0 or higher. So those are the requirements there with the WebOS 6.0. That is a requirement. The DirecTV app brings choice and control to LG customers, offering DirecTV's full suite of entertainment options, including the industry's first genre packs, free ad-supported TV channels, and all-in signature packages, plus on-demand content and personalized viewing experience directly through the TV. So no longer do you need an attached HDMI device like a Roku, Fire TV, or a Google TV device to get access to DirecTV. Now it's available in the content store, so hit that home button on your remote for LG TV, and you should be able to search for DirecTV to get the app. So no longer do you need an attached device to get DirecTV. They have a little statement here, how they're committed to making DirecTV available on all devices consumers already use, and connected LG smart TVs are an important part of that vision. They sure are. There's quite a few LG smart TVs out there, so this is nice news here if you have an LG smart TV. They're also mentioning the features here about DirecTV, links to the carousel, showing you your TV carousel, also the mixed channels, which is really multi-view for DirecTV. Genre packs are linked there as well. DirecTV signature packages are linked. My Free DirecTV as well. So they have all of the links here for you. We'll link this down below for you as well. If you're interested in learning more about this new feature for LG Smart TVs, the new DirecTV app, finally it's here. Now this took a while. Here we are at the end of 2025 and finally getting DirecTV availability on these smart TVs for LG. Now better late than never, I guess, but now this is some good news. If you were not looking to get a new device, maybe you're getting an LG Smart TV for the holidays as a gift, or just buying one for yourself for the holidays, now you have the option to get DirecTV on the operating system that's built in. So that's some great news. We wanted you to be aware of this. That's what we do here on the channel. If you're new here on the channel, just found us today, please hit that subscribe button. Also the notification bell so you know the next video drops in CFL-TECH. Also hit that thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. It's also greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. frndly checking out of this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.